Hello everyone and welcome back to my video series on Learn German for Beginners. Lektion 10. This lesson is a continuation of Lesson 9. Satzstruktur Teil 2. In this video, we'll be focusing on three pronouns ich, du and sie, the verb endings, and we'll learn how to conjugate the verbs according to these pronouns ich, du and sie. We'll be concluding the video with an exercise. So let's begin with three very common sentences you have already learned. Ich heiße Martin. Wo wohnen Sie? Woher kommst du? Now let's pick out the pronouns in each of these sentences. Ich, sie and du. Let's pick up these three pronouns and analyze them. If I'm talking about myself, ich is the pronoun for first person, whereas sie and du would be the second person. The pronouns sie and du were already discussed in Lesson 7. Now let's come to the verb conjugation. Ich wohne in Berlin. The subject is ich. And now just concentrate on the verb conjugation, the ending that has been highlighted. In the second sentence, wo wohnen Sie? The subject is sie and the ending of the conjugated verb has been highlighted. Coming to the third sentence, wo wohnst du? The subject is du and the verb conjugation has been highlighted. Now if we look at all the three verbs together, we will notice that all these verbs have different endings. These endings depend on the subject that has been used. As you have noticed, the verb ending with ich is I, the verb ending with sie is en, and the verb ending with du is st. Let's look at this once again. And we pick up the same verb, wohnen. Wohnen here is the infinitive form of the verb. That means this verb here is not conjugated. Now when I conjugate this verb with the three pronouns that we have just done, you will see that with ich, you say wohne, du wohnst, sie wohnen. The conjugation of the verb with sie is the simplest of all because it's the same as the infinitive form. This is true for all the verbs. Let's take another verb. Kommen. This is the infinitive form of the verb. Let's conjugate it. Ich komme, du kommst, sie kommen. Let's come to another verb that we have already learned. Heißen. This is again the infinitive form. And the conjugation will be ich heiße, du heißt, sie heißen. You must have noticed here in the verb conjugation for du, there is an S missing. This is because heißen already has an S sound. Therefore, when you conjugate it with du, the S goes away and you have du heißt. Coming to the next verb, Suppression. This is the infinitive form of the verb. Now let's conjugate it. Ich spreche, du sprichst, sie sprechen. You must have noticed that the conjugation of the verb with du here does not exactly follow the rule. The ending is with st, but instead of an e, there is an I. This is because suppression is an irregular verb. We'll be dealing with irregular verbs in a separate video. Übung. Now let's see how much we've understood. You'll be seeing a sentence with a blank and the verb in the infinitive form. All you have to do is conjugate the verb according to the pronoun. Let's see how this can be done. The verb is wohnen and then you conjugate it with ich. You get wohne. Ich wohne in Paris. Let's go to the next one. The verb is kommen and you have to conjugate it according to Sie. So you would say, kommen Sie aus den USA? Coming to the last one, the verb is sprechen and you have to conjugate it with du. Remember that the conjugation is a bit different here. Yes, the answer is sprichst du English? Great! Now let's summarize what we have learned in this video. There are various pronouns in German such as ich, du and sie. We'll be learning the remaining pronouns in another video. The verb ending for ich is e, for du is st, and for sie is en. Exceptions such as the verb suppression we'll be learning later. More verbs and more conjugations will be coming up in a different video. Sehr gut! Well done everyone! If you've made it this far in the video series, you are on the right track. By now you should be able to make simple sentences. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Danke! Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, do give me a thumbs up and share it with others. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bis dann! Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!